Okay. Congratulations to me. I want to show now how much I paid for a 5-bedroom penthouse in the heart of Lagos. You know understand? Man, show them.
Show them.
The camera. Now, I want to transform the lives of 5 poor Nigerians. If you are a poor man, post your card details on the comment section. Let me say I can help your life. Because one thing about me is that I'm no longer rich. I'm wealthy. I'm a wealthy man. Video for the you see, this is pink iPhone 16. Pink. So one of the first things I really love about this my apartment, now the snooker board. One thing here, this is luxury for your pleasure and your leisure time. You know what you do. You understand? So video the ambiance facing the person. So for your relaxation, but we're not focused on all these things. Carry camera come. Let's go. The sweetest thing is that I paid for this apartment with Bitcoin. For those who get digital asset like Bitcoin, gift card, and every other coin, and you don't know how you want to do them, trade it with Peripay. They're very fast and reliable, and a day sweet payments. Your credit to family price, you know that's the number one sign of poverty. Now when another person failure, they use another person failure, they get joy. Once you say this guy don't say cow, that thing you go they get joy. That's number one sign of poverty. So go and do something about it. You know understand? Video the ambience of the parlor for there. Go this side. Video the ambience of this side. It's a 5-bedroom duplex. We you see for the last Sabinos and the richest man in the state. It's obvious. The first room they down. I love everything about this place because the serenity is top notch. And then I will show you the main thing with this house. Now up, now everything there. You will see the reason why I decided to pay. No worry, I'll tell you the price. See the dining. Man, should I will tell you that place?
No, should I say?
Because I have some. See the kitchen there. Video from up down. You see what I mean? Let's go. Everything you want. Heater or microwave or everything is there. But let me on this first. Let's go upstairs, bro. I'll tell you the price, bro. But just the guess for the comment section. How much I pay for this apartment? It's a luxury apartment, and now only wealthy people will feel afford this type of living. Once you feel the top for this life, you say, Geh Geh, you don't get money, you don't look like a person who get money. But at the end of the day, I'm living a very comfortable life. Poor man don't feel live like this. It's an inverter. We don't kill on NEPA. One of the room here. What's the outside view? Man, let's show the back. It's a rich neighborhood. One of the ways you can easily make money is to surround yourself in an environment where the rich live. One man not get business for this area. You understand? So let me show you this room. You see this other room? Video and well. Okay, let's go. So the up still get this up now sit out for the up. You know there's so many duplex. Now let it down parlor go there, the up now let rooms go there. But you see say here now we still get everything we parlor they get. It's still in this place. Look at the television, the ambience, you get the point now. Man show the other room, see your one room for here, see the other room for here. So can't do that. Okay, now for the bags.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, many people are going to say, yeah, because of your iPhone 16. Now why you dey show up, oga? Not be life was sustain again. See all that I have accessories. I don't buy phones, I buy accessories. What's all you man?
Like and subscribe.